Artificial intelligence. Two words you've probably heard 1,000 times this year. But what actually is it? Is it robots taking over your job? Or just that one ChatGPT bot everyone's secretly using at work? In this video, we're breaking down what AI really is, how it works, and the top 5 ways you can use it right now, even if you're not a tech genius. Welcome to the Digital Shortcut, where we give you, shortcuts to the future of tech.so. What is artificial intelligence? In the simplest terms, it's when computers learn to think and make decisions like humans, but faster, calmer, and with zero coffee breaks. Instead of being told exactly what to do, AI learns from data. It studies patterns, finds connections, and then makes predictions or decisions based on that knowledge. That's why when you type "pizza near me," your phone doesn't just know you're hungry. It already knows which toppings you like. That AI is behind everything from your Netflix recommendations to the spam filter that saved you from your uncle's business opportunity. In short, AI isn't just the future. It's already living in your browser, your phone, and probably your smart fridge. All right, here's how AI really functions, minus the brain-melting jargon. Think of AI as a student who learns by example. If you show it 10,000 cat photos, it eventually figures out what makes a cat a cat. This learning process is called machine learning, and it's what powers most of the AI tools we use today. The more data it sees, the smarter it gets. So when AI writes an essay, edits a video, or predicts what you're about to type, it's using patterns it's already learned. That it's like your phone's autocorrect, but with a PhD and slightly less attitude. First up, writing and ideas. Let's be honest. Staring at a blank page feels like psychological warfare. But AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude are here to save you from creative block. You can use them to write emails, brainstorm YouTube video ideas, or even generate full scripts like this one. It's like having a personal ghostwriter, minus the paycheck and the diva attitude. Just give it a clear prompt, and it'll spit out paragraphs, captions, or headlines in seconds. Bonus tip: tell it who it should act like. Say, act as a YouTube strategist. And suddenly your AI is dropping advice that sounds like it came from a seasoned pro. Writing has never been this easy, or this slightly creepy. Next up, design. Not everyone can use Photoshop like a magician, but now, you don't have to. Tools like Leonardo.ai or Canva's Magic Studio let you create professional designs in seconds. Just describe what you want. A futuristic tech thumbnail with neon blue text, and poof. You've got an image that looks like you spent 3 hours on it. Leonardo AI can generate photorealistic visuals, while Canva's AI can remove backgrounds, generate entire layouts, and even suggest color schemes that actually look good. It's like having a full design team. Except no one argues over fonts. For YouTubers, these tools are your secret weapon for scroll-stopping thumbnails that practically demand clicks. Third, video creation, the holy grail for faceless creators. Tools like Pika and HeyGen can turn plain text into fully animated videos or AI avatars that talk for you. You just feed your script in, and boom, the AI creates your visuals, voice, and even your host. No camera, no mic, no awkward face lighting. Pika turns text prompts into cinematic clips, while HeyGen gives you human-like avatars that speak naturally. Perfect for tutorials, explainers, or new-style videos. In short, if you've got ideas but hate being on camera, AI just became your production crew. Fourth, productivity and organization. Admit it, your to-do list looks like a grocery receipt. That's where Notion AI and Motion come in. Notion AI can summarize notes, write meeting recaps, and even plan your week based on your tasks. It's like having a personal assistant who doesn't complain about your coffee order. Motion goes one step further. It uses AI to schedule your day automatically. You tell it what you need to do, and it fits everything into your calendar like Tetris. These tools don't just help you work faster. They help you stop pretending you're productive when you're really scrolling TikTok. Finally, research and learning. Tired of digging through endless Google results just to find one good answer? Meet Perplexity AI and U.com. They don't just give you links. They summarize information, cite sources, and explain concepts like a friendly AI professor. Perplexity AI is amazing for students, creators, or anyone who needs quick answers without the clickbait fluff. And U.com. It's like ChatGPT and Google had a baby. Conversational, visual, and ridiculously fast. If you're learning a new topic or doing content research, these AIs are your secret weapon for sounding like you actually read the source. Here's the big takeaway. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to upgrade you. The people who learn to use these tools today will be the ones everyone else works for tomorrow. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, learning how to use AI is the new literacy. It's not about coding. It's about curiosity. And the best part? You can start right now, for free, so that's what AI really is, and how you can use it right now. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you want more shortcuts to the future of tech, hit that subscribe button, because we've got plenty more AI magic coming your way. This is the Digital Shortcut, your fastest route to the future of tech. Rock it!